Hello beautiful women, this is Ishita Saluja, founder and head stylist at Ishita Saluja Image Consultancy. I style incredible women across the globe who are reinventing themselves and looking for a boost in their confidence. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about something different. I'm going to tell you the 5 wardrobe essentials that you must own in color black. Now I truly believe black is a magical color and it can help you create endless looks. It's a versatile color and can go with so many outfits and can be interchanged very easily. So once you know the right kind of blacks that you need to own and the right basics, there is no looking back. Now before we tap into the video, I want you all to say this affirmation with me. I love my body and I accept and embrace my body. Remember, the first rule to look stylish is to love and accept your body. So let's start with the first one. No guesses there, it has to be a pair of black pants. These can be dressed up and down depending on the occasion. They're a complete savior and also can work as a building block for your wardrobe. Remember, just choose the right kind of black pants for your body shape and your style. The next staple goes hand in hand with my pants. It has to be a black blazer. It's the most versatile piece that one can have in their wardrobe. I don't remember having a wardrobe without a black blazer. You can wear it for office events, you can wear it casually, formally, and the best way, throw them over a pair of jeans and you are there creating an effortless and a chic look. Next up has to be a pair of black heels. They can never go wrong and they almost go with everything in your wardrobe. They're clearly a mark of elegance and sophistication, and guess what? They go with every skin type. So if you don't own one, go get yourself a pair of black heels. The next staple has to be a black dress. Your black dress can be your go-to when you don't know what to wear. It can make you feel confident and elegant any given time of the day. You can choose your black dress according to your body type and style. It could be an anti-fit, a long dress, or even an LBD. And now let's talk about the last and my favorite. What is a wardrobe without a black bag? I love to carry my black bag. I can carry it literally everywhere, for shopping, for lunches, or sometimes even for clubbing. It's so versatile and can literally go with any time of the day and with every outfit. And if you don't own one, it's a sign that you need to buy one. That's it, you guys. Remember, you can use your black separately or you can even put them together to create very classy and monochromatic looks. Also, not all black fabrics are going to look the same. So make sure you only invest in the high quality ones to look elegant and sophisticated all the time. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. So make sure you hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon for more such styling content. And do tell me your favorite black staple in the comment section. Until then, remember, style is for everyone and yours is within you. This is Ishita Saluja, your style partner, signing off.